In Arizona, police are making a routine search of a vehicle pulled over for a minor traffic violation.
Sir, stay in the front of the vehicle. Sir! Sir!
Clearly, these guys have something to hide.
Put your hands up, get out of the car. Get out of the car. We will shoot.
Well, apparently these guys are guilty, so hit the gas. These guys take off.
As police gain on the vehicle, they get an eyeful of what these dimwits are hiding.
They're driving down this road and they're throwing out huge bags of cocaine. I mean, oh my God. How can you get so much cocaine into this country in the first place, you know? Wow.
Boom, it looked like flour. It was so much he was thrown out the window.
Wild, wild. It's like a cocaine blizzard.
Cocaine blizzard, I like the sound of that one. Oh, no, he didn't.
Really smart. Because they're getting rid of the evidence.
One small problem.
Guess what? We've got the videotape of you tossing it with the license plate prominently displayed.
You're throwing large amounts of cocaine out the window. You're going to jail for a very long time.
You're gonna be caught, you know, so stupid.